Hey everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for joining me today. When you guys finally see this video, I will have recently celebrated my 40th birthday. And in true Leo fashion, I've basically celebrated this entire month. But I'm so happy to be 40. I'm so grateful to be able to do what I love to do. My birthday wish for this year is just to continue to grow as an artist, continue to grow my YouTube channel, continue to grow my art business. And a lot of that is thanks to you guys. You guys have supported me so much, either by watching my videos or commenting on my photos or even purchasing some of my paintings. And I really appreciate it. So thank you guys so much. All right, you guys, all the sentimental stuff aside, I wanted to show you guys the dried results of the painting you're going to see in the video today. It is this one right here. It's on a 12 by 24 inch canvas, and it is a split color swipe and spin. This bottom color right here is Sky Blue Light from Amsterdam, and then this other color here is Black Diamond Pigments, and it is Merlot, and I believe the other one is called Pink Pearl, but I will check on that and make sure, and I will list them in the description box, so don't forget to look at that. But I am now a Black Diamond affiliate, so if you guys are interested, you can click the link in my description box. Full transparency, you guys, I use Black Diamond Pigments a lot. You guys can go back and look at my other videos and you'll see how much I use them. If you guys are interested, you can click on the affiliate link. As usual, the colors that I used as well as the formula will be listed in the description box as well, so don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.